Welcome to the ultimate Sami Doll's Baby Doll collection. In this video we crochet some cute ballerina shoes for the baby doll. The needed materials are listed here. You'll find the link to the pattern in the video description. Start off by making a slip knot. You'll find a link to my beginner's crochet series in the video description. And chain 7. You'll find the description of round 1 right here. Make 2 half double crochet into the third chain from the hook, then half double crochet into the next 3 stitches. Six half double crochet into the next stitch, which is the last stitch on the chain. Working on the opposite side of the chain, 1 half double crochet each into the next 3 stitches, then make 3 half double crochet into the last stitch, which already has 2 half double crochet and 2 chain stitches in it. Finish the round by making a slip stitch into the second chain stitch. And here's the description of round 2. Chain 3, this counts as the first double crochet of the round. And then into the same stitch where the 3 chain stitches come out of, do a double crochet and then make 2 double crochet each into the next 2 stitches. Now 1 double crochet each into the next 3 stitches, then 2 double crochet each into the next 6 stitches, which is 6 sets of 2 double crochet. Now 1 double crochet each into the next 3 stitches, then 2 double crochet each into the next 3 stitches. Finish off the round with a slip stitch into the top of chain 3 at the beginning of the round. And here's the description of round 3. Chain 2, then do 1/2 double crochet each into every stitch of the round. Work in the back loops only, so the shoe starts curling upwards. Finish off the round by making a slip stitch into the top of chain 2 at the beginning of the round. And here's the summary of round 4. Chain 2, then 1/2 double crochet each into the next 6 stitches, which is 7/2 double crochet in total so far. Now 1/2 double crochet 2 together 8 times, then 1/2 double crochet each into the next 7 stitches. Finish off by making a slip stitch into the top of chain 2 at the beginning of the round. Here's the description of round 5. Chain 2. This counts as the first 1/2 double crochet of the round, then 1/2 double crochet each into the next 6 stitches. Now 1/2 double crochet 2 together 4 times, then 1/2 double crochet each into the next 7 stitches. Slip stitch into the top of chain 2 at the beginning of the round. Pull the thread through the last loop, cut it off and sew it into the shoe to hide it. Make the second shoe in the same way, and then it is time to make the straps. Position the straps at opposite sides for each shoe, so you have a left and right shoe. Make sure you place them symmetrically. Go through a loop at the top of the shoe, pull the yarn through and chain 10. Then, in the fourth chain stitch from the hook, half double crochet all the way down. Slip stitch and fasten off. Pull the thread through the last loop and sew it into the shoe to hide it. Now we are sewing a cute pair of buttons to the shoes. And then we're done.